Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Sorry about such a big delay between the episodes, but life has been a little bit crazy of late. I thought this lovely summer weather would be a perfect time to crack straight back into some projects, including the new IL Motorsport brace bar that I have, and removing the DaveFab catch can, which fouls the new brace bar. Before installing, I did a bit of basic weighing and found there was 0.8 of a kilogram difference, which is roughly 1.7 pounds to the Americans over there. I also didn't notice much rigidity difference until I installed it completely. The IL Motorsport just seems a lot more rigid in between the mounts at the firewall than the standard. But it also allows me to adjust the coilovers, which with the standard mounts I could not do without having to remove the whole unit, which during a track day can be a pain. I will also be uninstalling the DaveFab catch can, which as I believe doesn't catch very much at all. And as you will see later in this video, that has pretty much been confirmed. Anyway, I'm going to keep my waffling to a minimum and let you just enjoy the video. As mentioned earlier, not a drop came out of the catch can. Now, my car isn't a daily driver, so I would be interested to see what other people who have this on a daily would get out of it per 1,000 miles or so. But Unfortunately mine has had 0. Please let me know in the comments below if you've had positive or negative experience with the DaveFab catch can, as I'd love to know if I'm just an isolated incident. After installing, I took it for a little test drive, and it seems to be no better or worse than the original, but around the block doesn't really tell you very much, so I'm hoping to take it for a bigger run soon and see what the difference is. The true test will be later in the year at the track day at Blyton Park. If any of you out there have fitted a similar or the same brace, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. If you have any video suggestions or ideas, or would like to know more about any previous video or this one, please drop a comment in the comment section below, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye for now.